but it won't pay the rental on your humble flats. It's love that will make us put away our guns and our politics and our fears and our prejudices. And it's love that will eventually make everything right.